and welcome to the new tutorial in Java. In this tutorial, I would like to continue with the previous tutorial, but before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In the last tutorial, we have written this method, which is printing out all objects which is located inside this array list. In this tutorial, I would like to write another method to print out for us the name of persons which is located in this list. We will see how we can write this method. As I said before, each method starts with public or private. Here we use public. Then we should think about it. What will be the result of this method? Why we are writing this method? Now we want that this method should return the name of the persons. So name is a string. So the type of this method should be a string, returning a string. We can write name of method like print name. Print name. Now we cannot write like here system point out by print line and send the list inside this parenthesis. We need to go inside each index in this array list and get the name of the persons. We have already written methods in this person class, which is returning the name of the person, like first name, last name, or age of the person. So for that reason, we need to have a for loop, so we can go inside this inside the array list. So our for loop, we declare k is equal to 0, k is less than list point size, and k plus plus. Okay, now we want to print out the name of the person. For that, we need that we store the name of the each time we bringing or the program bringing out the name of the person from the array list, we should store it somewhere. So we need to declare a local variable here, which is string, because name is a string. Right, name is equal to is empty from beginning. So okay, the program need a return because we have a string here. It's waiting for returning something. Name here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Return name. Okay. Now we write name is equal to list point get k. Go to the k position in this list and get the first name of the person and store it here. So if we continue with this method, what will this method do? It goes through this list and pick up the first object's first name, save it here. Then when k is equal to 1, it goes to the position number 1, get the name of the person and save it here. But what will happen with the previous name? It will disappear from here because the name here will update it with the new string that returning from here. So let's see if we continue with this method and call this method in our test person. Point print name we have written, and because this method is returning a string, we need to write system.out.println to see the result here in the terminal. There are two ways. First, we can declare a string variable here. S is equal to the result from this method, saving here, and after that we are writing system point out point prints line S. If we need to use this name somewhere else in our program, then it's a good idea to save it in a variable. Otherwise, we can direct writing this inside this parenthesis without declaring and storing this string in another string and in a variable, and after that we write it here and print it out here. So this one and this one is same thing. Okay, if we run the program, what will happen? The program will print out the name of this last object, because I said here that the program going and updating this name. The last name is disappearing from this variable, and it will refer to the new string, which is the name of the second person. For example, for the first time, Lars will store here. When k is equal to 1, then the name of Frederick will store here, and the Lars name will disappear from here. For the third time, the name of Frederick last will save here, and we will print it out, name of the last object. Let's see, we run the program. Frederick last, because we have two system.out.println here. So if we remove one of them, run the program again, then we will see here we have Frederick last. So let's see how we can change this program to bring the name of all objects which we have stored in this array list. So what we need is, here we change this line, change it name class. So what will it do? It takes the when k is equal to 0, the program or we go inside this list at the position 0, take the name of the person, store it here. Second time when k is equal to 1, go to the position number 1, take the name of the person and put it together with the name, with the information which we have already stored here. In our case, we have already stored Lars here. Then it will be here, we will get Lars and second person, which is Frederick. For the second time, for the third time, when k is equal to 2, take the name of the object, or bring the name of the object at the position number 2, put it with the other information which we have stored here. So for the third time, here we'll store like Lars Fredrik and last Fredrik. So let's run the program and see what will be the result. Here we see Lars, Freddy, and Freddy Lars we have here. So in this way we can add more methods in our class. For example, if we want to remove an object from this array list, we can uh, write our code here. If we want to just search a person, a specific person, for example, all persons which are or which they're they are less than 20 or 25 years old. Bring the name of these persons. We can write methods for that, but we will see on next tutorial how we can do it. Have a nice time and see you on next tutorial.